My advice for people who are thinking about leaving their jobs and becoming entrepreneurs is think really, really long and hard before you do it, because it's very glamorous from the outside looking in.
Yeah.
It's very exciting from the outside looking in, but there are a lot of things that you might not necessarily realize or consider or truly understand until you actually do it. A few things that are probably worth bringing up. Number one is being an entrepreneur is exponentially harder than anything I've ever had to do in my life.
Amen.
It's exponentially harder than any job I've ever had. You're always working. You're always thinking about work. You're always on call. You're always on call to yourself. There are really, really nice things about being an entrepreneur. One of them is that you call me and say, hey, you want to come to San Diego and
Yeah.
be on my show? And I said, sure. And drive down here
Here
and
you are.
here we are, and we
Yeah.
get to hang out. And
Yeah.
tonight I get to go to the Angel game. And
Yep.
no one says, Adam, no, you can't go to San Diego and you can't go to the Angel game tonight. With that said, the pressures involved in running your own business are so different than the pressures of having a job. When you have a job, the things that you worry about are, am I happy? Am I fulfilled? Am I making the most out of my time? Am I making the most out of my life?
Mhm.
Do I like the people that I'm working with? Things like that, which
Yeah.
are important.
Yeah.
Don't get me wrong, they're truly important things. But as an entrepreneur, the things that you worry about and the things that you care about, things that keep you up at night are, am I going to be able to pay my bills? Am I going to be able to pay salary?
Yeah.
Can I, pay rent? Can I, competition? It's just, it's we'll call it different level struggles, different level
Yeah.
stresses. So I just caution, and I advise a lot of businesses and advise a lot of entrepreneurs.
Yeah.
And I've had a lot of conversations with friends who've thought about taking the entrepreneurial journey. And I'm always the guy who provides caution.
Mhm.
I never tell someone, go do it, or no, don't do it.
Yeah.
But I try to portray a very real picture of what life as an entrepreneur is like.
Yeah.
And what I've actually found is that most of the people I've had these conversations with wind up doing it, and they wind up going forward.
Yeah.
But hopefully the ability to at least hear real talk gives them, a better understanding of what life as an entrepreneur is really like.
That is great advice. Not easy to do in today's social media world where it's glamified, to be an entrepreneur. So
Yeah.
kudos to you
What
on
isn't
that.
glamified,
Yeah,
right?
this is true.